Hi guys. Let's start. Why Canva? Because it's an easy and simple tool for graphic design and creation that provides access to a huge library of photographs, fonts and graphics. When you finish your design, you can publish it in different forms, PNG, PDF, or in social networks, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, as the following illustrations clearly show. Canva is an easy-to-use tool. It will serve you in your illustrations or in the creation of logos for your business or your channel, YouTube or other, while being free and simple. Try it for your illustrations and discover the beautiful world of photos. That's all for today. See you in another video.